Next, let's talk about emails. So within emails, I've divided this section into multiple categories. The first one is master email prompt generator. So this is just a priming prompt that you can use to assign a role to ChatGPT of an expert in email generation, and it will use that information to work on the information you provide and write emails accordingly. The next one is professional emails. Here we talk about creating how to structure an email, personalizing email, strategies for tailoring your message to a specific audience. And then we talk into a lot of different things you can do with the emails, compelling subject lines to grab readers' attention, for example. Then we talk about marketing emails. So this is an inspirational list of things that you can ask ChatGPT as your AI assistant on what type of emails you want to focus on, what are the objectives and tasks you can actually ask ChatGPT to do. Then we talk about sales emails, email tips and strategies, and then specifically sales focused emails. And then we talk a little bit about customer service helper tool and how it can support customer service support teams in getting the information for the customers. The next thing we cover after emails is, I believe, entrepreneurship, ebook actually. So in ebook, you can actually write an entire ebook using ChatGPT. So the first thing you do is, so again, this is a step chronological order process, brainstorming, market research, and coming up with the topic. So first thing you need to do is come up with the title ideas. You can ask GPT to help you conduct market research analysis. Now with the power of GPT and Bard connected to the internet, they can definitely search different topics for you and help you understand the market. Get summary of ebook you have found on this topic through GPT and Bard. So you can actually provide PDF links just like we did in the last section to a specific book, and it will summarize it for you and the information that's in the book, and then you can use that as a reference for writing your own emails and books, for your own ebooks. Once you have done your research, you can create a structure of the email. So I'm in the process, I need help organizing the structure. Can you help me develop a logical, easy to follow structure for my ebook that will help me effectively communicate my message to my audience? The ebook will cover the topic of, and then you define the topic, should be this words long. Provide me with a suggested outline. So you ask it to give you an outline. Once you have the outline, you can ask for it to create subtopics for each topic in the outline. Once you have that, you can start writing. And now it's up to you. How do you define the tone of the writing? So I've given you a few examples here to provide you a reference. Furthermore, you can also refer to specific authors. For instance, here I'm referring to Ray Dalio because his information was very informative on finance and history, and I love the way he presents. So I often try and copy his style of writing in my work. Then you can actually start creating content for the book. Once you have the list of subtopics, you have defined your writing style and the voice and tone of the writing, you can actually ask GPT and Bard to actually write topic by topic. Don't ask it to write the entire book in the first place, but ask it to write for each subtopic that you have already come up with in the subtopics through the subtopics prompt. Once you have the book, these are a couple of helpful prompts that can help you with ebook formatting and design and providing you more theoretical information around publishing an ebook and what needs to be done. So this is just some helper prompts that can help you out with that. Furthermore, I also added a few prompts that can help you create a course. It's not going to be an amazing, great course. I cannot create a ChatGPT course just by using ChatGPT because the information is slightly outdated and it does not have access to the latest OpenAI documentation. So keep this in mind when you're creating courses. If you're working with a topic that is brand new, ChatGPT might not be able to do that. But if you're creating a course on a topic such as Python, for instance, that has been there for a decade, more than a decade, it will do a tremendous job in terms of understanding what needs to be taught and would create an outline for you, and all the lectures, the scripts, PowerPoints, you can get everything done through ChatGPT. What's next? So career advancement, here I provided a couple of prompts that you can help you with different process when you're applying for new jobs, a few for resume, cover letter, interview preparation. Interview preparation is actually a really good one. You can tell GPT-4 specifically, it won't work with other models, that you're about to interview for a specific role. You can provide the job description for the role. You can provide your resume and copy paste your resume into the role into ChatGPT-4, and then ask it to interview for you. And don't break the spectrum of interviewing. It will keep acting and it will keep asking you questions, and it will ask you very good theoretical, technical, and behavioral questions to better prepare you for interviews, and you can find loopholes and gaps in your preparation through using the AI models. How to optimize your LinkedIn profile, helping with job search and job search strategy, networking, and a few other prompts. Sorry, I came to the wrong link. Okay, we'll cover entrepreneurship and students in the next lecture.